In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to change up your privacy settings or simply want a fresh start with a clean slate, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to open up Microsoft Teams. You can do this by navigating to the web version at teams.live.com, or you can launch your desktop app if you prefer. Once you're on the main page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially if this is your first time here, as the interface is very user-friendly and straightforward. Now that you have Teams open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there, or a placeholder icon if you haven't uploaded an image yet. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a small pop-up menu where you can manage various account settings related to your profile. Clicking on your profile picture in this menu will take you to another view where more detailed options are available. Once you've clicked on your profile picture, you'll be taken to a page where you can see more personalization options, including the choice to remove your profile picture. Look carefully and you'll find a Remove button. This button allows for easy removal and restores your profile to its default state. Typically, your initials will appear as your icon instead of a picture. Before you proceed, a quick word of advice. Consider why you want to remove your profile picture, and if there's a particular reason, like privacy concerns, replacing it with a neutral image might be beneficial. However, if you're set on removing it entirely, click the Remove button. After clicking Remove, you'll notice your picture disappear almost instantly, leaving just your initials in its place. It's a simple, hassle-free process, but do remember, this action cannot be undone. If you decide you want a profile picture again, you'll have to upload a new image from scratch. Take a moment to ensure your profile is now displaying as you intended, serving as a digital reflection that accurately represents you within Microsoft Teams. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to removing your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or look out for other tutorial videos that might assist you with different tasks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.